What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to add checkbox in Google Sheets. Here you can say I have multiple option and I want to add checkbox before this text. So that first of all go to insert and click to checkbox and then hover over the dot menu, and here you can see a plus icon. When hover over the dot menu, when you can see a plus but icon, then click on your mouse pointer and hold down, and you can see all the boxes have checkbox. Now we want to add tick mark, check mark. You can check all the boxes and also you can choose as you want to add or not. It's a very simple process. And then if you want to delete, just just select all the boxes, then click to backspace. And also if you want to add multiple checkbox at a glance, click all the column and then go to insert, click to checkbox, and that's it. Very simple process to add check mark in Google Sheet. I think this is helpful for you. If you think this is helpful, then consider to like, comment, share and subscribe.